Hi, welcome to Concero's Tech Talk. Today, I'm going to walk through migrating your Sage data file to your cloud workspace. This is a relatively straightforward process that involves making a backup of your Sage data file to your local system, copying that backup file to your cloud workspace, and restoring the backup to your cloud workspace. Well, let's walk through it. First, open Sage on your local desktop, as I have here. I have a sample file open, and I'm going to go to File, Backup. First thing we can do is give it a recognizable file name. It's a backup for our cloud workspace. And now we want to choose the location on our local drive, or which is your C drive, or a network drive will work as well. Here, I'm going to go to this PC, select the local disk on my workstation. So this is the C drive. If I go to Users Kelly Beardmore, I can see I already created a folder just to make this simple. And now we can hit OK. But again, the most important thing is you choose a location on your local disk to make the backup. A location that you can find easily later. And then we're going to copy that backup to your cloud workspace. So this should only take a minute. There we go. Backup complete. And now it's going to open that. Open your file. Okay. Now that this is done, we want to log into our cloud workspace. So we're going to shut this down. And I have a shortcut to my cloud workspace here. So we'll just log on. And we're going to open up the demo desktop. All right, we're on our cloud workspace. The first thing we want to do is we want to open File Explorer. And we're going to go find that file that we saved on our local disk. Here it is. The C drive on our local device. I'll go back to Users. Just repeat the steps we made before. And there's our backup. I want to copy that. Now, really the second most important thing here is pasting that file to our data drive. This is the data drive that's associated with your cloud workspace. And this is the local disk that's associated with your cloud workspace. We want to go to the data drive. And here, there's a number of folders that we can save this file to. I'm going to select Sage Data. And I've also created a folder for a company. So if you have multiple data files from multiple companies, you may want to create multiple file folders. We'll go Concero and we'll paste this in. So here, what we've effectively done is moved that backup from the local disk on the C drive to the data disk on our cloud workspace. And we can close this out. We want to open up Sage. Again, that's Sage on our Cloud Workspace. Just wait for this to load up. And we want to choose Restore from Backup. Next. And here we want to browse for the data file that we just moved to the Cloud Workspace. So we want to go back to the data drive, back to Sage Data, Concero, and select the file. And we can hit Next. Now the third most important step, and this is the one that a lot of customers get wrong, is they want to restore the file to the default location on your Cloud Workspace's C drive. But we actually want to save it to the data drive associated with our Cloud Workspace. So we're going to hit Browse. We're going to go back to the data drive. We're going to go to Sage Data, Concero again, and we'll give it a name. And save it. And we hit Next. And finish. And now Sage is beginning the restore of that backup file on our Cloud Workspace. We just need to wait for that to happen. And then really the migration of your data from your local drive to your Cloud Workspace is complete. And there we are. If you have any questions or issues, please email us at support@concero.cloud or call support at 866-326-4857, extension 2. Thank you.